Hi YouTube. I got a package today and I know what it is. What is it? It's the video micro. I want to use it with the iPhone. Rode video micro. And I got the adapter. The phone adapter for the cable. Let's see what's in the box. Quick start guide. The filter is quite big. I guess this is the mic and the filter. The mic is inside here. I can take it out, but I prefer not to. I'm gonna test it on the iPhone. Oh yeah, I have to pass it through here, so I have to take it out. I don't know if it depends which side. I think this is the correct way to put it. This is the adapter. Nothing special. You put the microphone here and the adapter here, and this is the stand. Okay, it's on now. It's on. Okay, YouTube. I'm testing the microphone of the iPhone. Yeah. How it is. One, two, test. 1, 2, test. 1, 2. It almost looks like a DSLR. It looks like a new DSLR that I got. Yeah. Cool. Testing 1, 2. This was the unboxing video of the Rode Micro. Subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye.